So, Uncle Nudge here, up in the hills, and do a little rock hounding. Also going to do some drone footage, something new I'm going to try. And here's my drone control, and my drone is over there. So let's see if we can get it airborne here. There we go. How you doing, drone? Good to see you. So it seems like it's pretty super cool just to be able to fly over this, and I think it's just going to add a different perspective to where I go and the videos in general. And some of these places are pretty grandiose, and just this view here, you can see these rocks, and there's certain times of year when the water is just pouring through there, and this gives it kind of a whole new perspective. So I'm still pretty new to flying, and the other day I crashed my drone, but luckily it didn't go in the water. So this particular day, I took it careful, but I've definitely gained a lot of confidence. Now this is my original drone. This is a DJI Mini 2 SE. And I'm moving on to a DJI Mini 4 Pro, which has a lot more features in this drone in this video. And I'll get to know those, and I think it's going to be pretty darn cool what I'll be able to do. So this is kind of a cool little spot, a little more dangerous here, flying this drone. Beautiful spot. Man. Just gorgeous. I'm getting a low battery, so time to come in here. See if I can land this baby. Success. Sweet. So, that was some fun. My little drone, and I'll shut that stuff off here pretty soon, but take a look around here real quick. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, there we go. Let's see the view here. Down a little bit. I mean, this is pretty darn cool footage here. But a little bit iffy. Iffy as in flying the drone with branches real close, but my new drone has a bunch of sensors that's really going to help it fly around some obstacles and stuff. Flying over the water is a little tricky too. Try to bring it in here and land it on this rock. So in future videos, I won't do a bunch of drone footage, kind of like underwater footage. Just put it here and there, just to give it overall perspective on where I'm at and stuff, and then just the beauty of it, because I know a lot of you out there just don't have anything like this around you, and I'm really lucky too. And of course, it's always just so different in person, but this really gives it a nice perspective, I think. Sweet. Yeah. I even still have some battery time left. No, I don't. So anyway, that was fun. And I'll see you next time on Uncle Nudge Rocks. Sweet.